Hello, sir.
Am I on YouTube?
Yes, I have a small channel on
Am I
YouTube.
streaming?
Not live streaming.
Not live.
Not
What
live.
is your subject?
Just-
Tourism or
It is primarily tourism, travel and tourism.
yeah?
So in that, since
Travel
we,
or tourism. Are
since
you
we,
local or
since
are you traveling here?
I am from Delhi,
From
India,
where?
India,
Delhi.
India.
Nice, welcome. Have you been here for quite a while?
For the first time, I am here for a few days only.
Quite a few years ago.
For a few days.
Oh, quite a few days. Jeez, quite a few years. That's a long trip. Nice.
I think-
I'm interested in your camera. What is your camera?
This is only GoPro.
GoPro.
It's convenient.
I've been looking at the Osmo. Do you know this is like a little competitor?
DJI, that is DJI.
Yeah. I'm thinking about getting one.
That is also a good camera because
Yeah.
it's with gimbal. It comes with gimbal. It's
That has
not-
a little gimbal on it. Yeah.
Yes, that is with gimbal.
Yeah, well, welcome to the blacksmith. There's some coal fire going here. And yeah, I should put my gloves on. I was just trying to decide, one of the other blacksmiths, not me, made this the other day.
Okay.
And he
You made a.
I was
Heard.
trying to think if I could hang it
So
somewhere.
it is a herd with steel.
Pardon me?
I think that is a herd with steel.
Yes, that's right. That's right. So we have some steel here. I'm going to put it in the fire. Here we are. So this is just a blower.
Sure.
It's a fan blade inside here that goes around this way. There's an air
So-
intake here, and it blows through the pipe and up. It's the same as if you're blowing on a campfire.
It's
going-
around how many years back this was the way of making things? How many years back this was the way?
Well, we're set in 1925.
1925.
But this technology, these were available
Okay.
in the 1890s.
1890s.
If you go out to, there's another historic site in the region called Fort Langley.
More than 125 years old process.
Yeah, at least.
At
That's
least.
right. But there's another heritage site called Fort Langley in the region, and if you go down there,
Okay.
they have the bellows style, but the really big ones, and it's up in the rafters, and it works very well. They have a chain on it, and you pull it, and it blows just as well as this. The big advantage to this is that it's smaller,
Okay.
so it's very compact.
That.
So this particular one, well, it has the patent numbers on it. I think it's from the early 1900s.
Okay.
Anyway, I don't want to overheat this. There we go. We got some
Sure.
heat now. Nice and orange. I'm going to just give it a bend now. You can see it doesn't take a lot of effort. You just have to tap it. Roll it back on itself now. And we're just making a little loop. And this little loop there is so that you can put a nail
Sure.
through there later.
Yes.
And I'm going to switch sides. We'll put the other end into the fire. There we go. So that one end is
Very well made. You have made with the precision.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Magic. Yeah. Thanks for stopping.
Thank
in.
you.
Thank you.
A little warm back here. Hi guys. I'm gonna say you look real.
ये टेबल पर लैंप, बच्चों के खिलौने, एक पुरानी ब्लैक एंड वाइट एल्बम, ये चेयर पर रेस्ट करता हुआ कोट, ग्रामोफोन, सर्दी में सूखते हुए कपड़े, और ये आपका खाना बनाने के लिए कोयले से चलने वाला और लकड़ी से गर्म करने वाला एक ओवन, और ये स्टीम बाहर जाने के लिए उस पीरियड का घर में रखा हुआ एक लैंप, ये बाउल, और ये उसका टोटल इंटीरियर, घर के दीवार पर कुछ पुरानी तस्वीर और उस पीरियड की घड़ी। और ये है 125 साल पुराना कनाडा का थिएटर, जहाँ चार्ली चैपलिन की फिल्म चला करती थी। और ये है टिकट काउंटर, अडल्ट्स 25 सेंट, चिल्ड्रन 10 सेंट्स। और अब हम इस थिएटर के अंदर दाखिल हो रहे हैं। ये हैं चार्ली चैपलिन के पोस्टर्स उस वक्त के। और अब हम पर्दा खोलते हैं और एंट्री लेते हैं। ये है उस वक्त के थिएटर, तकरीबन 125 साल पुराना ये थिएटर है। दीवारों पे इसकी खूबसूरत लाइटिंग है। बहुत छोटा सा थिएटर है और कॉर्नर में एक पियानो रखा हुआ है। और बहुत छोटा सा, हमारे आजकल के टीवी स्क्रीन के बराबर होगा इस थिएटर का पर्दा। और ये तकरीबन 150 साल पुराना एक ड्रग स्टोर। उस वक्त कैसे कनाडा में चीज़ें डिस्प्ले होती थी केमिस्ट की शॉप में। कोका कोला, 7 अप, ऑरेंज क्रस्ट,